Hey everyone, we have a set of S2000 AP1 headlights sent in by a customer for our headlight performance and style package. So the first thing we did, these headlights were severely hazed, so these did receive a lens restoration, so they were completely sanded down and re-cleared with 2K clear. So as you can see, now they have a much better clarity. Fortunately, we don't have any before photos or video of them, but they were very yellowed out. You could kind of barely see through the lens. And then we did our projector lens tuning, so the projectors were tuned for a bit more sharpness and color on the beam pattern. He also got S2000 logo etched onto the lens. And at this angle here, it's kind of hard to see, but it's definitely more apparent in person. The video is hard to capture it. And then we also did the JDM style clear corners. So these, the factory US spec amber corners were replaced with these clear ones. And then finally, we did yellow high beam tinting. And then these also received Diode Dynamics Pro Series demonized. So we're gonna light these up, show you guys what it looks like. We're not gonna light the HID system up, just to kind of just demoing the demonized today. So yeah, these are lit up in white right now, and with Diode Dynamics, you do get RGBW functions, so multicolor plus a pure white mode. So we can switch them over to red, green, blue, and you get all the colors in between. And of course, we have other modes and whatnot we can set. So this is a common one that will do the 7-color crossfade just for demo purposes. So this just cycles through a bunch of colors. You can change the speed and whatnot at which they move through. So yeah, if you have a Honda S2000 and the headlights need some love, we do the lens restoration. It will significantly clear out the lenses. These vehicles are pretty old now, and if they've been sitting in the sun most of their life, your lenses are definitely going to be in pretty bad shape. We also do offer like complete lens replacement with aftermarket headlight lenses, which we source off of like aftermarket S2000 headlights, and that's another option to the lens restoration if you don't mind a set of aftermarket lenses. Other modifications you can add, of course, there's some shown here. You can spec out the package exactly the way you want it on our website. If you have any further questions, you can reach us by phone or email. Our contact information is on the website.